Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Ashley and I'll be your Sunday Fit trainer for today's workout. We do have a huge library of cardio and strength workouts and we release new ones every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on our newest releases. That being said, we do have our leg day light Ministepper workout today. Just 10 minutes, great workout if you just want to get up off your tush and just get your body moving. Just 10 minutes, that's all you need. How about we get to it? Okay, so I'm just gonna introduce what we're doing. On our Ministepper, of course, you could change the height of your pedals, so whatever you feel good doing today, go for it, okay? We're gonna do 30 seconds of work with 10 seconds of rest, and we're gonna be rotating from on the stepper to a floor movement, okay? So, without further ado, hop onto your Ministepper and let's just get moving, okay? We're just gonna do some regular pedals for 30 seconds, okay? So just pressing the heel down. Feel free to hands on hips. If you have some light dumbbells and you wanna add some light curls, you could do that as well. But no worries, right now we're just getting some blood flowing through the legs. Okay, working on our balance a little bit, feeling the core activated. We got 10 more seconds, just regular pedaling. Okay, feeling the weight shifting and just again, focusing on balance. Okay, in about 5 seconds, we'll hop off and we have a 10-second transition. All right, let's go ahead and hop onto the floor. We're gonna start with squat to heel raise. So we'll be doing 30 seconds of this movement here. It looks like this. We're gonna sit, stand up. 2 and 1, let's go. Sit, stand up, and try to get your heels off the ground, okay? That'll be another fun way to work on some balance. Sit and stand. Good, nice and proud chest. Trying not to drop your body forward. Just keep your chest proud, eyes forward. Good, getting some more blood pumping through. Getting the heel raise as well, a little more calf activation. We've got 5 more seconds here, so maybe that's 1 or 2 more reps, whatever's accessible to you. Last one here. Great job. Let's hop back onto our Ministepper. All right, and we'll just shake out all the squats we did. We have 5 seconds to keep resting. We're gonna go back to a regular pedal, okay? 2 and 1, let's go. So whatever feels good for you. If you wanna kind of, simulate like a running movement with the arms, you can do that. If you have, again, wrist weights or light dumbbells, you can add a little upper body to this leg day light workout. Good, 3, 2, and 1. Good, 10 seconds to hop onto the floor, rest. We're gonna move into a lunge with a knee drive. We're just gonna do the right leg first. So I'm gonna just face sideways here. I'm gonna take the right leg back, here we go, and just drive the knee up. Again, working on some balance here. Drop the knee behind you, lift the knee up in front. We're doing 30 seconds, just this leg. Drop the knee behind you and lift the knee up. Great job, we're halfway through. Okay, just gonna, little extra work on that left leg first. Drive that right knee and balance. Even give it a second or 2 at the top, really just to dial in that balance. And rest, great job. Okay, shake it off, shake it off. We're gonna hop back on our Ministepper. Still got another 5 seconds to recover. Let's try to increase the speed here a little bit if it feels accessible to you. 2 and 1, let's go. So maybe that means you have to pump the arms a little more. Maybe the pedals are a little shorter. So go ahead and see what feels right to you. In this, we're gonna do another 30 seconds before we take it back to the floor and do the other side, okay? So pressing through the heels. Think about the abs a little bit maybe, right? Eyes up, eyes forward. If we look down, trying to focus too much on the floor, lose balance. 2 and 1, great job. 10 seconds, let's switch sides this time. Now I'm gonna send my left leg back. I'm focusing on the right leg. Left leg goes back, left knee drives up. 2 and 1, here we go, 30 seconds. Knee back and lift and hold. Focusing on balance and depth of that lunge, okay? So even if you weeble wobble, it's okay. I do recommend flat shoes or barefoot for this, typically, even though probably might want shoes on your Ministepper, but flatter shoes are better. So these ones are a little too padded for me. Let's do 10 more seconds. Back and up. Last rep here, 2 and 1. Great job. We have 10-second transition. Back onto the Ministepper. We're gonna pedal it out. Again, keeping that speed that we had before if you did get to increase it. If you didn't, now's your chance. Here we go. Pedal it out. All right, you guys, we are almost halfway through that workout. After this interval here, we're gonna take it back down to the floor. We're gonna do squat to heel raise again. And then we're gonna do another round of everything, okay? Okay. Whew. Hang on to it. Good. Getting a little, hopefully breaking a little bit of a sweat here. Your body's feeling nice and flexible now. Feels nice and warm. Great, and rest. Good stuff. Okay, guys. Back to our squat with the heel raise. I'll challenge you, if you wanna upgrade this movement, you can add a hop, okay? 2 and 1. So you can add like a little squat jump if you'd like. Down and up. But if you want, you could just sit and raise those heels up, down and up. So your option, your choice to progress the movement. Or maybe you do maybe just try a few, and then maybe you mix it up with the heel raise. 10 more seconds here. Good. Proud chest. Remember, try to keep that body upright. Keep the balance and rest. Great job. Okay, halfway through the workout, y'all. Let's get back onto our Ministepper, and we're gonna do regular pedals, okay? So again, we'll take the speed down. 2, 1, let's go. Maybe your pedal height is a little higher this time, so feel free to play with the knob if you wanna go a little lower, a little higher. Again, this is your workout. I'm just here to guide you through some movement, all right? Whew, okay. Again, if you want some little extra oomph, maybe hands behind the head or hands up overhead. Maybe this requires a little more balance for you. Maybe it requires a little boost of the heart rate. 2 and 1, back down on the floor. Going back to our squat heel raise. No need to jump on this one unless you really liked them last time. We are gonna get to it again, so no obligation. 2, 1, sit, up on the toes, sit, up on the toes. Give yourself like a second or two at the top to really dial in that focus or dial in that balance, right? Check in on the form. Squeeze the glutes at the top. See if you can get a little higher, get those heels a little higher than before. 10 more seconds. Up, good. You got this. Last 3, last rep, 2, 1. Excellent, all right, let's get back on. Same thing, just regular pedaling. We're going in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, whatever feels good for you. Hands on hips maybe this round, whatever you'd like. But it is fun to kind of, if you're feeling the legs doing all the work here, is pretty much a leg day workout. So feel free to, you can add the arms here, squeeze the scaps behind you, squeeze your shoulder blades together in the back. We got 10 more seconds, regular pedaling, not going too fast, just focusing on balance and clean movement. 3, 2, 1, rest. Let's take it back to our lunges, okay? So I'm gonna start with the first leg from before, sending the right leg back, focusing on the left. Right leg, tap the knee, 2, 1, here we go, chest up, and then drive the knee up and balance. Again, give it a second or two. If you're weeble wobbling, I'd rather you catch your balance, then go for the next rep, okay? Instead of just letting yourself fall every time, we don't train our body to work through the discomfort, right? And we move right past it. All right, let's finish it up here. Down and hold. Good. Last rep, 3, 2, and 1. Beautifully done. Okay, let's go. This round, we're going to increase that pedal speed. And we got 3 seconds, 2, 1, here we go. Nice and quick. So they might be shorter this time. You might need to use the arms a little more. You might need to press the heel down a little more. You might need to press the toe down a little more. See what feels right for you. All right, 15 more seconds. We'll take it down to the floor, do our other side lunge. All right, nearing the end here. How are those legs feeling? Good job. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take it down. We're gonna do the other leg this time. Again, I really want you to focus on working through the discomfort of the weeble wobbles, through that balance, okay? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Stepping the left leg back this time, driving the left leg up and balance. Give it a second or two. Work through it. Don't just move past it without giving your body a chance to calibrate that new feeling. Drop that knee. And again, when you drop that knee, try to keep that chest, those shoulders over the hips, okay? Try not to fold forward. Drop the knee and lift. We got about 2 more reps. Down and lift, balance, and last one here. And hold, great job. Okay, we're gonna go back to our quick pedals. Got one more interval here, one more interval on the ground. Let's go. 2, 1. Speed it up. Maybe this one's the fastest one. Okay, press through the toes, press through the heels, and notice the difference. What do you feel when you press through toes? Do you feel more calves? What do you feel when you press through heels more? Do you feel more glute, hamstring? Okay, so it's great to take mental notes of the, improves your body awareness as well. All right, so take those mental notes. 3, 2, and a 1. We got 10 seconds. Final movement. We're gonna go back to our squat to heel raise. Option to add the jump, either for the whole 30 seconds or maybe every couple reps, whatever feels good. 2, 1, let's go. Last 30 seconds of work. Chest proud. And again, maybe you were just working through the balance today and the form today. Keep it here. If you feel good there, add some hops. But be neat with it as well, okay? When you explode upward, keep that same position. Open chest and come down lightly. Heels come up, you go through the toes, toes come down, heels come down. Last one, and rest. Great job, you guys. Okay, awesome. I really hope you enjoyed that workout. It was a nice, quick, get your tush off the couch, get your tush out of your office chair, get a little movement in. Thank you so much for working out with me. You did great. If you like this workout, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, stay up to date on all of our new workouts every week. Feel free to also leave a comment. Let us know how you did. And if you want to see more videos like this one, I'll see you at the next workout. Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below and we'll see you there.